Round 2 of the EBASS trail. Welcome to another video. Well, we're at ARABIE for leg 2 at the EBASS trail. Myself, Zaid, team TVL, ready to go. Zaid's already had his first course and he's stuck already. Rocks. But yeah, let's see how this leg 2 goes, and hopefully we can get some big uns. Let's see. Enjoy. Wish us luck. Good one.
No. Keeper, I think. I hope.
What's up?
Lucky I put my rod in the way.
Holy shit, that thing came flying like a bullet. Again.
Working for you today.
Right in the tree, huh?
Yeah, dude. I honestly think you're doing the right thing, because with this heat, maybe a little later than that.
He's in a nibble. What's going on? Have you got a nibble? As I said,
It's a big fish, man. Get the net. I'm jumping. Jump. No.
yes, we must get these nets ready from the beginning. Shit like this.
Got it.
Dude.
Quickly.
Ah!
Yeah.
Jeez. It's our first fish. We've caught a few little ones, but it's our first
not
like,
even
keeper.
a monster.
No,
I
it's
mean,
just a keeper. That's like, we would want a couple of those averages.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, a bit of an update. We've been struggling. We've caught a lot of little fish, all undersized. And it is now 20 past 1. We've got one fish in the boat. And
Wow.
it's not really a great fish. It's like maybe a kilo. What do you reckon it weighs? Maybe just over a kilo. But anyways, it's been really tough. So yeah, not good for us.
Yeah, on the top wood.
Oh, that's a good fish.
I'm gonna bring him into the net.
I think it's probably the same as yours. Frog time now, bro. Oh, no, it's a
No,
good
that's bigger, dude.
much bigger.
This way. Good. Yes. Well done, boy. Well done. Okay.
Finally. It's not the best, but at least. Holy crap! In that grass there.
Yeah.
That open grass, I saw movement there. Nice. Okay, that's. Whew, your adrenaline activated.
Hey!
We need carry on with frog boards.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, 30 centimeters.
Damn it.
There you go.
There's a keeper. Yeah? Yeah.
That should be a keeper.
There you go, Zaid. Sheesh, pa.
Oh man. Yes.
Oh, why did it have to be you?
Why does it have to be you? Where's your mom? Go call your mom. Where's the big one? Please be a keeper. Yeah, maybe. Major openings.